Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Miraculous Ladybug Fan Girl inspired by you. So let's get started. To draw this cute ladybug fan, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that I have my two circles in, I'm going to come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that I have my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So I'll just draw me two curves. It's nice and simple, two little curves. And then from there, I'm going to come up above the eye, say about right here, not too high. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft arc, soft curve right over the eye. And same thing here. And then from there, let's give this girl a smile. So right in the center, come about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve, slightly goes upward, and then cap it off. There. So then now let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the sides, the top of my eye, come out just a little bit. From there, I'm going to go ahead, draw a curve that comes down, and draw the same thing on this side. So just a little bit, and then come down with a curve, and we're just basically going to draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to bring a point down to the center, so say about this much. I want her chin to be about right here, and then from there I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve all the way down to my point. And same thing now, I'm going to go up. So play around with it, see what is the easiest way for you to draw the face. You can start with the eyes first, or you can start with the face first. It's all up to you, just play around with it. So I'm just basically surrounding her eyes and her mouth now, and then let's see here. Now that we have that in, I'm going to come to the sides. I'm going to imagine her hair is parting on the side, so just about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw her bangs. So I'm just going to zigzag maybe 3 strands. 2, and then 1 more that comes all the way down to where we started and out. And then whatever space I have left right here, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the face with a curve. From there, I'm going to come back to this area right here where her eyes are, and I'm going to draw a curve for her ear. And on this side, just see a little bit of her ear tucked behind her hair. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And I'll come in here for some details. So 2 curves inside, and the curve. So you can see anything, or just a little curve there. So if you have enough space. Then from there, I'm going to come above these bangs. So I want her, she's going to give her a hairband. I want the hairband to be as wide as her face. So I'll say about right here. I'll just start. And I'm going to draw a curve right over towards the center, and then I'm going to head right back down to about right there. So just a nice big curve, wide curve all the way across, and then I'll thicken it up. You just want to make sure the hairband is as wide or wider than her face. So I'm just going to thicken this up, and then just go above it a little bit towards the center. So say about right here, not too much higher. And I'm just going to go up on both sides. So let's bring this down towards the hairband, and same thing here. There, and I'll just bring this down. Her hair is kind of straight to make it simpler. On this side, we can tuck it in towards her ear. So since her ear is showing on this side, and then pop it back out. Okay, so then now let's draw her outfit before we finish the rest of her hair. And I just forgot. Let's come back in here. Sorry. And we're just going to draw some polka dots in here. Just spruce this headband up. And I'll just come in here and shade this in black. Really quickly so you can see a little bit better. There. From there, let's work on her outfit. So let's come about right here in the center. I'm going to give her a little neck right here, and then we're going to come down and then round off for her shoulders. Same thing here. Come down her neck and then come down around her shoulders. Then let's see here. Let's kind of find her armpit area. So I'll say about right here and here. Tentatively give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to kind of flare it out a little bit for this little top that I'm giving her. So I'm just going to draw 2 slight angle lines outwards. Then from there, I'm going to come right back in here and draw a curve that goes all the way across. Slightly slope down. And then on this side, I'll connect it. And then on this side, just be a little bit thinner. There. And then let's bring this down a little bit more. So the hardest thing is always trying to figure out what to have these Draw So Cute girls wear. So I'm just going to wobble a little bit all the way across her this little top. And then I'm going to poof out this skirt. So right here. That'd be really cute to have her wear something really poofy as well. So I'm going to bring this out. Like a poofy ballerina-ish polka dot skirt. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to bring this out to about right there. And at the bottom right here, now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and just wobble my way across. It's going to be a little bit lower towards the center, and then we're going to go right back up to make it extra poofy. And then we can come back in here and just lightly draw some creases, some curves right here. And then now that we're down here, let's go ahead and draw the legs. So nice and center, I'm just going to have them straight and here and about right here, this thick. There. So let's work on this side. I'm going to bring this down. And let's see here, about right here, let's keep coming down. We're going to get a little bit thinner as we come down towards her ankle. And then we're going to flare it out for her shoe. And this is going to be a little bit straighter, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect. So same thing over here. So a little bit straighter as we come down. So I'm just following my other leg and then come thinner, and then we're going to flare it out and round it off and connect. There. And then for some details, I thought it'd be really cute for her to wear kind of like a boot. So I'm just going to cut it off right here. And for some details, the sole, just draw a curve right here. And then in this area, I'm just going to lightly draw 2 curves, and then in here, just draw some lines across. So same thing over here. So not only do you get to draw, you have to also figure out the fashion, right? So you get to be a fashion designer as well. So, oh, one more right there for a boot. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw her hand. So I'm just going to use this curve right here for her hand. So let's bring this down. So I'm going to tuck it in towards her shirt area, waist, and then come out. And then about right here, I'll just tuck it in. There. So same thing over here. So if you have too much space here, then you might have to draw her the other side of her arm. But if not, then you can just use this. And we're just going to curve out. And I'm just going to drag a point across about right here. And pop it out and then in for her hand. There. And let's see, we could add some bracelets right here, right? Why not? On this side. And let's see, we can, let's go ahead and just finish her hair first. So I'm just going to bring this down and just tuck it in. So zigzag a little bit and tuck in. So details, you can come back in here. Some lines. From there, let's go ahead and spruce up her outfit. So we definitely need to put some polka dots here, so just go ahead and quickly do that. Some of them on the edge perhaps, and you can put as many as you want or as little, and you can make them really big or really small. It's all up to you. Have fun with it. I'll just quickly randomly put in some polka dots here and there. There, okay, I'll stop for now with that many polka dots. And then in the center right here on her shirt, let's, I'm going to draw this big circle for the Miraculous Ladybug logo. Because if you're a fan, you definitely love their logo, right? So just draw this big circle here. And then in the center, I'm going to put a heart. Shade that in the center. I'm going to draw this straight line down. And then on the sides right here are going to be 4 circles for the logo, for the ladybug. But I'm just changing this one in the center to a heart. And that is pretty much it for this Miraculous Ladybug Fangirl. Thank you, Cuties, for always loving these fangirls and being involved and helping me name her. And congratulations to the winner that this fangirl is named after. Thanks so much for watching. And if you love this drawing, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.